How to clear your Facebook of Facebook activity. Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the activity that Facebook tracks on you while you're not on Facebook. Just for the proof that Facebook is going to track you no matter what do you do, as long as you have it on your phone. So, wink wink. Anyway, just to show you this and how to clear this activity that Facebook has been tracking about you, you can select this little gear icon once you head over to your menu, scroll a bit down, and select Off Facebook Activity. Here you can see that Facebook tracks your recent activity. It will show you even privacy tips. Kind of funny, Facebook showing you privacy tips. Anyway, select Clear History from the bottom. Clear History. And that's it. So make sure to do this often and select. I would suggest selecting activities to disconnect. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.